What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to be showing everybody how to fix a flooded yard with a French drain and extending their downspouts out. French drain is going to go along the fence line all the way to here. It's going to start here at a high point, go down to the center. From over there at the gate, behind the gate actually, come down to the center and into a little mini dry well. The downspouts on the back right and the front right of the house are going to both go into the same trench, coming backwards under the sidewalk to a pop-up emitter. So everything can flow right out of there and go straight onto the street. As you can see, it is completely flooded. There's standing water everywhere along the side of the house. We're also going to be extending it from the back because, as you can see, there is water everywhere around here. So the French drain on this side will start right about here, where this nice puddle is. As you can see, the rest of the yard grade slopes away, but that's also the problem because everybody else's yard does the same thing and slopes all the way to our customer's house. So we had it marked out. Now, time to dig. And as you can see so far, just from starting the French drain, going towards where I'm going to be going to turn into the dry well, you can already see the water is just pouring into the drain, because that's how bad every other neighbor's yard sloping this way. This is what happens. The water just keeps going down and down and down all the way down the street. So now it's going to end up stopping right here. All right, now we have French drain dug. We just got done removing a bunch of the dirt, about to dig the dry well. As you can see, we took off all the grass on the side as well, so that way when everything is done, it'll be easier for the homeowner to be able to put their decorative rock on top. See, it's still very wet. We rut it out over here. Still got to dig this part of the French drain as well. And we'll be ready to put the pipe in, make sure we got our grade, filter cloth, and rock and roll. And here is the dry well over the shovel depth. So we're about 5 to 6 feet deep in there. So all this is going to go nicely. Got to regrade it all to make sure it's all going into the dry well. All right, now we have the downspout trenches dug. So pipe the downspouts up to where they connect. So they're going to be running inside the French drain, not going into it, but running into it to go out to the street. First, we're going to repair some sprinkler lines. I'm going to run this into the corner here. Right about there, stop. We got to filter cloth everything. Then put the French drain in, make sure all the level's good. And then we can run our downspout alongside it all the way down to where the street is. All right, now we have it all filter clothed all the way. Now time to put the pipe in and make sure we got the grade desired, so everything can flow to the dry well. And then we have to back run the downspouts in the same trench. And here we go, all complete. Pop up right there, water's gonna come out, pop up, roll over the curb, and go straight to the drainage basin right here they already have. And yes, once again, we do not break through the curb. That is legal, cannot do that at all. And you see we have both pipes. French drain starts here, going downhill, going all the way that way towards the dry well. We have the downspouts going backwards. As you can see, the downspouts are completely downhill from the back right of the house and the front left of the, or front right of the house as well, all the way down. And then when we put the level down here on the French drain, you can still see that it is going the way it's supposed to go, downhill this way towards the dry well. Same thing when you come on the opposite side of the dry well. Everything is flowing from the back of the house to the front of the house, completely downhill, flowing from this way to the dry well. Put the level on the downspout, we got it downhill, going from the back of the house to the front of the house. Now to rock it up. And now everything is hooked up, ready to go. There's the pop-up emitter. I'll be showing how that works in a little while. Got a rock break back into the trench. Everything's gonna be good. They're gonna be adding direct decorative rock eventually. So I have the filter cloth here. I'm going to fold it over so that way they can just put their decorative rock right on top. So now we just got to try to make this yard look a little better here. Filter cloth on top of the dry well, backfill it over with dirt, because the dry well does not have to be exposed by rock, so that way they don't have some kind of weird design in the middle of their yard. As you can see right now, it should butt up right to the post of their fence, and then just be able to go straight down all the way to the other fence. And this is about what it's going to look like over here. Trying to fix all this rutted out area with the machine. We got the filter cloth folded back over. There's the clean out for the French drain. And time to finish the rest. And now we go ahead and show the homeowner how the system works. The water hose into the clean out, goes down to the corner, and all the way down the same trench, and it'll end up to pop up at the end. And this is exactly how it works. Water comes up, pops up. Right now, as you can see here, the curb kind of goes back, so it's just traveling down the edge of it right into the storm drain. But when it's actually raining, this will boom up and everything will run right over, go into the street and into the drain. This is exactly how it's done. As always, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until the next one.